Getting it right, confirming understanding in English conversations. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our new video on mastering conversational English. Today, we're going to dive into a crucial aspect of communication, confirming your understanding. And we're focusing on the phrase, "if I understood correctly." This little phrase is powerful in making sure you've got the right message, particularly when asking for directions. Let's jump in. When you're learning English, or any language, it's so important to make sure you've understood what's been said to you. This is especially true when you're asking for directions. Using phrases to confirm your understanding not only ensures you've got the right information, it also shows that you're actively engaged in the conversation. Phrases like, "if I understood correctly," followed by a summary of what you've heard, gives the person you're speaking with an opportunity to correct any misunderstandings. This can be a lifesaver when navigating a new city or country. To use the phrase, "if I understood correctly," you would follow this with a restatement of the information you received. For example, you might say, "if I understood correctly, the train station is 2 blocks away, on the left. So, if I understood correctly, I should take the first right, then continue until I see the supermarket on my left." Notice how these statements are framed as questions. That's because you're seeking validation that your understanding is correct. You're not stating facts, you're confirming information. While, "if I understood correctly," is a great phrase to use, it's not the only one. Here are some alternatives you can use interchangeably. So, you're saying that, just to be sure, you said, "do I have it right that?" These phrases function in the same way, giving the person you're speaking with a chance to confirm or correct the information you've understood. Alright, that's a wrap on confirming understanding with, "if I understood correctly," and similar phrases. It's a small tool that can have a big impact on your communication skills. Remember, it's always better to confirm and be sure than to assume and get lost. We hope this has been helpful, and we encourage you to practice these phrases in your conversations. Until next time, happy learning!